Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. So as most of you all are new here, hi, my name is Muskan Roy and I'm so glad to have you here. So for my first video, I wanted it to be something which dissolves this barrier between you and me, that you get to know me better, where I study, what I do, what I don't do, my age, what I do throughout the day, everything about me. So it's like a BBS of my life. So finally this is happening and it wouldn't have happened without your support. So firstly, I love you guys. Thank you so much for everything, and thank you so much for the support that you guys have been showing me on Instagram, on TikTok, and I am so glad, and I hope you guys show me the same love here. Today's video is going to be a get to know me tag. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so for the questions, I found some of these questions on Google and I put up a story a few minutes earlier asking you guys to give me some questions, so we'll go through the both of them. So I'll start with my question. My full name is Muskan Somnath Roy, Somnath being my father's name. I am 16 years old. I am in class 12 right now and I've taken up the stream Humanities to study probably media science in the future. My favorite music, I don't have any specific song, to be honest. I really like July by Noah Cyrus, and just emotional songs and songs which I can relate to really interest me. So that. My favorite movie, honestly I don't have any specific favorite movie, but I'm a really big Marvel's fan. So Marvel movies, I love the Divergent series, so Divergent, Insurgent, and Legend, and any romantic like rom-com movie. I'm a sucker for romantic stuff, so that I love romantic movies, and even comedy films. Yes, I do fear a lot of things actually. I think most of us do. If we talk about it practically, I fear being alone. I mean being left out. That's what I fear the most. And aise normal chota mota dar mein, I'm scared of spiders, any sort of insect. I'm actually scared of everything. I'm scared of darkness. I'm scared of being alone, like I just said. I'm scared of snakes. I am so scared of snakes. If I see a snake in front of me, I'll probably faint. I was never scared of snakes like bachpan se, but like suddenly one fine day I had a dream about a snake having me, like consuming me completely, and I got scared, and after that I've just been scared of it for years now. And so basically any animal, insect, all of that, I'm scared of it. Now, I joined Instagram when I was 13 years old, and I started making musically videos right around that time. I made it merely for fun. I had no idea that content creating is even a thing or a profession, and I did it out of fun. And then eventually I started noticing that I'm growing, that I'm having a lot of followers. People are recognizing me even at my own school. And then I got my first paid collab, and I realized that what, this is actually something, this can be something, I can make something really good out of it. So I've had a lot of friends in this field. Talking to all of them, I realized that this can actually be something. So the main thing which inspired me to do what I'm doing right now is the love and the support. I enjoy doing this. I enjoy making videos. I enjoy acting. I enjoy dressing up, taking pictures, doing my makeup. And if I'm earning out of it, or if I'm even earning some respect or recognition, why not take it further? So my birthday is on 27th of August 2003, and I was born in Mumbai. I was born and brought up there till I was in class 6, and then I had to shift here in Kolkata, where I'm currently residing. Yes, I do have siblings. We are 3 sisters and I'm the middle one. I have an elder sister and a younger sister, Jayashree and Diya. How's your social life? Personally, it gets lonely for me and I can't take it. I can relate to this. Yes, being social also means being lonely because for some reason people look down to you. Like me being in school, I don't know, people just naturally think that I'm arrogant and wouldn't even approach me to talk to me, and you know, they just talk behind my back, you know, making fun of what I'm doing. But you know, when it comes to taking favors, they all come running after me. So it does get lonely because people only remember you when they need favors from you, which is upsetting. But yes, I do have 2-3 friends, and you know, that's what is great. So I want to do anything which is related to acting. I have been so fond of acting, and honestly I feel for me it just comes out naturally, and I would love to pursue it as a career. So anything related to even social media or media in general, I would love to take up a career in that path. Okay, so a lot of y'all have been wanting to see a family photo, and I've put it up a lot of times, but I'll just put it up here. I realize I'm not smiling only, and I look scary. Guys, I'm not scary, and I'm a very loving person. See, I would be lying if I tell you that hate does not get to me, because you know, there's only so much that a person can listen to, after which the person breaks down internally, right? But the hate, like on such social media platforms, is so much, and it's disturbing at times. Not because you dislike what I'm doing, you dislike it, it's fine, I'm okay with it. I don't like a lot of other creators' work too. Doesn't mean I'm going around hating them, right? You don't like my work, just ignore it. But the fact that people take out so much of time to point it out and to actually demean me for it just feels bad. I mean, theek hai yaar, just life is too short to sit around and hate on a person just because you don't like them or you don't like what you do, right? So बस देख लो, नहीं पसंद आया तो move on ना यार, क्यों hate करना है? So the next question is, I want to see your dog. Now, unfortunately, I'm upstairs and my doggy is downstairs, but hopefully I'll take a clip of my dog later on and I'll add it while editing the video. Somebody asked me what is the funniest incident of mine. Honestly, I'm a very clumsy person, and I'm either falling around or fumbling. So the embarrassing incident that has happened to me is that me, my friends and my mother, we went to Mandarmani, a beach in Kolkata. So I was taking a shower in the washroom, and few of my friends, they were sitting outside. So the slippers I wore, they did not have a very what do I say, a rough surface enough to like not slip me off the ground, है ना? So I took a shower wearing those slippers only, और मुझे नहीं पता था कि the surface is so smooth can slip only. So I had my clothes and everything हाथ में, and I opened the door, and the first step I took, I slipped, and there was a door in front of me. I slipped, I banged my head, and then I fell on my knees in front of everybody. So this is just like a few of them. I am such an embarrassing person, and I have so many more embarrassing stories which I can't even share with you guys. The next question is, do you have any tattoo? Yes, I have one tattoo which I got done on my birthday when I was 14. No, when I was 15 years old. Me and my sister, we got the same tattoo, which is the sun, moon and the stars. Yeah, that's the only tattoo that I have. Did it hurt? Yes. Was I yelling? No, but I was shivering because it was hurting, and I have a tattoo right. Yeah, and I have a tattoo right here. I'll add a picture of it so you guys can see it. So it was tickling, and I was shivering. So it was embarrassing. If I could change any one thing about myself, I would change the fact that I forget so much. Guys, trust me, I forget every single thing. I don't remember so many memories of my childhood because I'm a forgetful person, and I feel sorry for my friends because they ask me, you know, Muskan, yaad hai aisa hua tha? And I'm like, what? Kya? What makes me angry? Almost everything. I'm a very short-tempered person, and if you try and mess with me, I lose it. Okay, So basically ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है. I'm not that scary or anything, but yeah, I do get angry very easily if things are not according to me. दो तीन चीज जो बहुत गुस्सा करती है ना is the fact when somebody does not pick my call up. Like I'm calling you 10 times in a row and you're not picking my call up, and I know you know that I'm calling you. May Lord save you. Or when somebody keeps on cutting my call. Bhai, what are my pet peeves? I am a very choosy kind of a person.
Oh my god! Wow!
A lot of things don't suit me. For example, if I've taken a shower and if my hair is wet, the water cannot touch my back, because if it does, I will go crazy. Another thing, if my hair is full of knots and I'm brushing it out and somebody tries to talk to me, I will be so pissed, because already it's such a painful process to brush your hair through, and उसके बीच में कोई मुझसे बात करने का try करता है ना, बहुत गुस्सा आता है. Another pet peeve of mine would be when I want to be silent, when I want to be in silence and somebody is constantly yelling from behind. Dead. You are dead. If money was no object, what would you do all day? Honestly, if money was no object, I would shop all day, because I love shopping, and this is something that you guys don't know, but it's like an escape for me. So even if the tiniest thing happens in my life, the first thing I do is shop. The idea of like a parcel coming home and me waiting for it is so amazing, and the fact that we're in quarantine and I can't do the same is so annoying for me. But yeah, the first thing I would do is shopping, and the second thing I would do is travel around the world with my friends, make new friends, and just go everywhere, because I don't need money. No, money is no object here, so कुछ भी कर लूँगी मैं, ठीक है. Who would you be stranded with on a deserted island? I would be stranded with my best friend Punika on a deserted island, because I know it's going to be very scary and painful, and I wouldn't want to put my family through it, and she's the only person that I hate, so I will make her suffer with me. And I think we'll have fun. We'll figure something out. या कुछ ना कुछ तो दोनों साथ में मिलके कुछ तो कर ही लेंगे. I think yeah, I'll be stranded with her. What is my favorite color? I don't have any specific favorite color, because सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है यार. ऐसा specifically कुछ भी नहीं है कि नहीं यार I love this, ऐसा नहीं है. I can wear anything, and I think I can pull off anything except for brown and neon colors. I really like black and any nude shade, so yeah, and I also like turquoise a lot. So the last question is, do you have a YouTube channel? Yes, I do. I know if you're watching this right now, yes, I successfully did it. I do have a YouTube channel now, and it is only possible, and it was only possible because of you guys. So if you enjoyed my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky.